Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and post your resume. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 short Java interview question and answer. Very simple and basic. Difference between private, public and protected. Private means not accessible outside the object scope. So within the class you can access these private variables and private methods, but not available outside the object scope. Public means accessible outside the object scope, whereas protected means it becomes private when inherited. It is available to the subclasses. What is the role of synchronization? Managing exclusive access of the code block to a single thread at a time to maintain its integrity. For example, you have a method or a block and that method handles the shared data. If you want to maintain or manage exclusive access to that particular method for a single thread, you don't want multiple threads to access the same method at the same time, then role of synchronization, the synchronization process is very important for that. What is default access? Accessible only by the objects in the same package. What is the difference between vector and array list? Vectors are synchronized, whereas array list are not synchronized. So whenever you want thread safety collections, you can use vector. Where if you don't want thread safety, you can go ahead and use array list. What is the difference between class and objects? Class is a template using which objects are created in the memory, or objects are also called as instance of the class. So class talks about what portion and how an object looks like, say what are the attributes, what are the methods, but objects are the real instance of the class. Okay, so hope this video is useful for your Java interview preparation. Thank you and all the best.